Hey Lewis family, today we're going to be doing a quick video on how to make jasmine white rice in your Ninja pressure cooker. So all today you're going to be needing is basically 4 ingredients plus your Ninja cooker. So your ingredients would consist of, depending on how much rice you want to use, today we're going to be using 1 cup of rice, jasmine white rice to be specific. We're also going to be using our seasoning and then a cup of water and of course our Ninja pressure cooker. Here are the ingredients that we're going to be using today. We're going to be using the cup of white rice. We're also going to be using black pepper and garlic salt. And of course we have our Ninja pressure cooker that we're going to be using today. I have already washed my white rice already. That's why it looks like this. But I did go ahead and wash it. We do wash rice over here. So, okay, everyone. So as you can see, this is our Ninja pressure cooker. We are looking at the inside of it. However, we're going to take our rice and pour it in. Remember, our Ninja pressure is totally off. We're just only pouring the rice in at this time. I want to make sure I get all my rice out. Next, I'm gonna just kind of like even it, level it out a little bit. That's just me, because when I put my seasoning and stuff in, I want it to be level. I'm gonna pour some water in so I can get the remaining rice out. Okay, because we are doing 1 cup of 1 cup of rice, we are going to be doing 2 cups of water. So make sure you're measuring. You do your 2 cups of water for your 1 cup of rice. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in and we're going to season. You use whatever seasoning you choose to use, but I'm going to be using garlic salt. All right. We're also going to be using black pepper. Okay, and then our very last ingredient is I am going to be using a half a stick of butter. I'm choosing to use Land O'Lakes. All right. Once your rice, your seasoning, your water, and your butter is in, I am going to put the lid on. Now that our lid is on top and we have our seasoning, our rice, our butter in there, we're gonna go down to the settings. We're going to click on, did I plug it up? Nope, I didn't plug it up. Make sure y'all have it plugged up too, y'all, because I did not have it plugged up. Okay, so now we're gonna hit on. We're gonna control our functions here. You're gonna go 4 over because it's on slow cooker, saute, keep warm, and then white rice. So you go to functioning, you go down until you get it to the white rice. Then you're gonna press start, and it's gonna start its little circle, and then we'll just come back when it's ready. So as you can see, y'all, that our Ninja pressure, it is kind of like, in a sense, loading, or you could say warming up. And pretty soon the bars will load. Once the bars do load, completely, it will beep and it will let you know like the rice is done. And I'll show you like right now, even with it warming up, you can totally see that like the butter, it is melted and it is starting to cook now at this point. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we're back. The timer had went off and now I'm like a minute and 7 seconds late coming back to it. This is what our rice does look like. Hand me the spoon, babe. So it look like on the rice from the Ninja pressure cooker, which is really, really good.